A dreamy landscape was a soft watercolor look, made only with colored pencils. It's super simple for kids, teens, and absolute beginners. Just try it and see how professional your artwork turns out. Hi, I'm Maani, and welcome to my channel, where we turn simple materials into magical art. Let's begin! Grab a piece of scrap paper to make a mask for the snowy field. Tear it into 2 pieces and tape them under your drawing paper. In this video, I'm actually making 2 projects at once, so I divide one sheet into 2 sections. For the sky, I'm using the colored pencil powder technique. If you've never made pencil powder before, here's a trick. Just rub it through a tea strainer. Super easy. Each scene will get its own color set. With half a tissue folded 5 times into a little pad, I start brushing on the brightest color, yellow. I swirl the yellow powder in spiral motions. Then I move to red. To get orange, I mix just a pinch of yellow with red. Grab a fresh tissue for violet and blue. Then I add a little green. To make one part darker, I blend in some black. For extra pigment, I even use my fingers. The second scene is the same idea, but with different sky colors. This time it's darker, with mostly blue and green, and just a touch of yellow. off the mat. The snowy field stays perfectly white. I draw the trees with a black pen. To add depth, I shade the snow very lightly with blue and gray. That gives it soft shadows. Here comes the fun part, making snowflakes with an eraser pen. The effect is amazing. You can also try it with an electric eraser. I hope you had fun painting with me today. If you liked this video, hit the like button and share it with a friend who would enjoy it too. That helps more people find my tutorials. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun, colorful, and beginner-friendly art projects. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.